Hello everyone, I'm Leah from Goalry. Have you ever faced a medical emergency or sudden car repair that you just couldn't afford? You are not alone. About 4 in 10 adults can't pay for unexpected expenses without borrowing. This video is all about creating an emergency fund to keep stress down, protect your credit score, help you avoid debt. You may be wondering, how does one build an emergency fund, right? Here are some money tips to help you save for an emergency. Make a budget. List all your incomes and expenses. We also recommend visiting the site budgetry.com. Use their budget tools. Start small. See how much you can afford to save. You'll want to save for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to another savings account. Supercharge savings. Consider reducing your monthly spending. Think about gym memberships, Netflix, that extra latte, or call your creditors to lower your bills. Visit Goalry.com for help. Track your progress and have fun, even with the small successes. Keep looking for new ways to cut expenses. Good luck building your emergency fund.